Hey guys, Alex, HBG Construction, the house buying guys. So we got day 7 on our flip. Let's see where we're at. We're pushing through. So quickly, we have block. Block is still going on. All the footers are in. The weather was not on our time, so let me kind of run out here and show you. So we got some fascia repair and some siding that still needs to happen. We've got some trim that's going in the door. That's what you hear. On the back side of the house, all the block has been done. Our gutters are up, and now we just need to fix the siding and get the place power washed and painted. That'll happen tomorrow. So to the front of the gable, we're gonna put some cedar shaker. Got to pick it up and install it. That'll happen tomorrow. Cedar shutters will be going up as soon as it's painted. Inside of here, half the floor has already been put in. The other half will be done as soon as the paint is done. So we got the interior painted. As you can tell, it's gray. Got one coat that went up. We've got some casing and trim that's going in today. The bathroom is done. All the items are going to be, the vanities and the toilets will be installed tomorrow, and then this is going to get painted. All right. The cabinets in here, all inside has been painted, and then the doors, cabinet doors, drawer doors will be installed tomorrow as well. We'll finish installing some of the doors that were painted. Again, some sanding and painting will happen. And here we go. So day 7, it's gonna go crazy tomorrow. We'll see ya.